Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Temitayo and today I'll be showing you how I make my simple coleslaw. I usually pair that with turkey. Most times I have that as my lunch. So we had our cabbage. I prefer the purple cabbage, it's usually more crunchy. You had your carrots, the grated carrots. I like to add cucumbers, lettuce, and boiled eggs. Then finally, I like to dress it up with my Walden Farms Thousand Island dressing. It's zero net carbs and 0 calories, and it's also fat free. So you shake that. Then this salad, this coleslaw will take me for like 2 days because I've already added my dressing. So you mix that up. So I usually like to pair my salad, my coleslaw, let me just call this coleslaw, with turkey. So that's going to be my lunch. I think one more scoop and I'm good to go. So this is your perfect lunch. You don't need to start adding any other extras and all that to it. It's just perfect and also very filling. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you everyone.